Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today's lesson is part 2 of homographs in Garifuna. An homograph in Garifuna is Dumure Yarafagwat. Dumure Yarafagwat. First up, we have Numa. Numa, which is friend. And the sister to Numa is Numa. Numa, which is with me. Next, Garani. Garani, which is having medicine. And the sister to Garani is Garani. Garani, which is a giant plantain. Next, Atuha. Atuha, which means to clean the house or a room. And the sister to Atuha is Atuha. Atuha. Remember, the U with the umlaut is pronounced as Atuha, which means to pick a fruit or to harvest a non-root crop. Last, we have Atura. Atura, which means to come out of water or to disembark. And the sister to Atura is Atura. Atura, which means to throw out a liquid.